Welcome one and all. If you are a BMW owner, this vlog is going to be for you. And the reason that I say that is because behind me, I have one of the most modded M2s that I have ever been privileged enough to at least drive in or have the opportunity to shoot. So I've already done a M2 vlog where I've discussed the standard M2, everything from the engine spec all the way up from what you can get on your everyday grocery list when you're buying an M2. But what happens if you own an M2 and you want to do more to it? What I mean by more is you want to start adding wheels, suspension, you want to change the body a little bit because you want to make it a little bit more unique to you. Well, today is your lucky day because today I've got access to one of the best looking, if not the best looking M2 in SA from front to back. Let's take it out. So this is an M2 which is basically running JB4 as well as water-meth, Wagner intercooler, full system from the turbo all the way to the back, as well as an Eventuri induction. Obviously it's got a lot more goodies on it, but today I'm going to be going over everything in this car. If you were buying a brand new M2 and you wanted to see what you could do with it, well, this is a perfect example of what can be done. What we're going to do is we're going to begin right from the front. So right from the front, you're obviously going to get your carbon kidney grills. So the carbon kidney grills, the surrounds are all carbon fiber, and yes, it is real carbon fiber, as well as your front splitter. Now this is the GTS-style front splitter. Just to make it a little bit more aggressive, it also lowers the car a lot to the ground. So what people forget is when you lower your car to the ground or you put splitters like this on the cars, it starts to become a little bit difficult to drive. And in South Africa, we've got extremely bumpy roads and extremely bad roads in some areas. And this sometimes is a problem, especially when you couple that with low profile tires, as well as some really low suspension modifications, which this car has. So let's pop off to the wheels. These are flow forged split 5-spoke wheels. They also are upgraded from a 19-inch all the way to an aftermarket 20-inch, which is really nice because it gives quite an impressive stance, as you guys can see. It also has an H&R lowering kit from about 20 mils lower than what the standard one is. So quite a massive drop. Let's come to the back. This is a BMW OEM part which you can buy directly from BMW. Normally you just get the carbon fiber lift spoiler. More of an upgrade if someone doesn't want your standard every single day what everyone else has. This is more of a GTS style carbon rear wing. So finally being able to see this in person, it's really nice. And then obviously as the exhaust, because this has obviously been customized as well, it's got custom downpipes, but you also get the M performance pipes at the back, which are an optional extra from BMW and cost quite a pretty penny. And then let's finish it off with the engine bay, one of my favorite parts on every BM and every M2. This is a BMW original part. Now, I never knew that you could get a carbon bonnet directly from BMW, which is really nice to know. And I mean, if you look at the detail in this, it is crazy with your massive single plane twill weave. Really, really nice, as well as the brand new Eventuri induction. Now, why I say the brand new, there was a variant 1 which was really nice, really, really compact, but it suffered quite a lot from heat soak. So with this, you have a brand new variant 2, which is really nice. They've increased as well as the ducting to obviously alleviate as much heat soak as they can, as well as this carbon brace, which comes off the M3 M4 pack, which has been modified to fit this M2. So literally as much carbon as you can put on an M2, this engine bay has. Remember, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please remember to hit that subscribe as well as give this video a like. It just helps with the algorithm, as I always tell you. But if you guys are a fan of any BMW, tell me what your favorite BMW is. Mine has always been the M2, and this is exactly how I would spec mine if I could. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Ciao for now.